Be honest. Have you ever felt like some people understand everything quickly while you keep overthinking the same simple things? Some people make clear decisions effortlessly, while others feel confused even in small situations. Most people believe one thing: they were just born smart. But what if that isn't true? What if intelligence is not something you're born with, but something you build or slowly destroy every single day? Because the truth is, your brain is changing constantly. Every habit, every choice, every small action is either making your mind sharper or quietly weakening it. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they are damaging their own thinking. Today, I want to show you 6 habits that secretly reduce your brain power. And the last one is the reason many people never reach their real potential. Habit 1. Consuming without thinking. Let me ask you something. Since you woke up today, how many reels, videos, or posts have you watched? 10? 20? Maybe more? Now, another question. What is one thing you genuinely learned today, something you can actually use in real life? This is where the problem begins. Low intelligence doesn't mean someone is stupid. It often means the brain is constantly consuming but rarely processing. We scroll, we watch, we move on. No reflection, no questioning, no thinking. Smart people don't just watch content. They pause and ask, is this true? Why does this matter? How can I apply this to my life? From today, try one simple rule. After watching anything, pause for a moment and think. Because knowledge doesn't come from watching more. It comes from thinking deeper. Habit 2. Escaping difficulty. Whenever a problem appears, what do most people do? They instantly search the answer. Google it, YouTube it, ask someone else. But here's something powerful. Your brain grows the most when it struggles. When you try, fail, rethink, and try again, new neural pathways are created. Psychologists call this desirable difficulty. In simple words, a little struggle is necessary for real learning. So, create a new rule for yourself. Before asking for help, spend at least 10 minutes trying on your own. Even if you fail, your brain becomes stronger. Habit 3. Choosing ego over truth. Think about this honestly. Have you ever continued an argument even when you knew you were wrong? Not because you believed you were right, but because you didn't want to lose? Or maybe you stayed silent when someone was clearly wrong just to avoid discomfort. Both behaviors limit thinking. People who grow mentally are not obsessed with being right. They're obsessed with learning. They admit mistakes quickly. They disagree respectfully. They stay curious instead of defensive. Remember this: ego protects comfort. Truth creates growth. You don't need to win every conversation. You just need to learn from it. Habit 4. Living inside a small mental world. Notice something interesting. Highly intelligent people can talk about many topics: psychology, history, technology, human behavior, business, ideas. Why? Because the brain's real job isn't storing information. Its real job is connecting ideas. Innovation happens when different pieces of knowledge meet each other. If you only stay inside one area, your thinking becomes limited. Curiosity expands intelligence. Read outside your field, explore unfamiliar subjects, ask questions about the world. Because intelligence grows where curiosity lives. Habit 5. Letting your memory stay weak. Many people say, I just have a bad memory. But memory is rarely the real problem. Think about your favorite movie. You remember scenes, quotes, characters without trying. Why? Because your brain was fully engaged. The most powerful learning method is called active recall. Instead of rereading notes, explain ideas in your own words, test yourself without looking, ask questions constantly. When the brain works to retrieve information, it strengthens memory. Passive learning fades. Active thinking stays. Habit 6. Ignoring recovery, the most dangerous habit.
Modern culture teaches us a dangerous belief. The busier you are, the more successful you are. But neuroscience shows the opposite. Your brain continues working even when you rest. During walks, quiet moments, sleep, your mind processes information in the background. It connects ideas, solves problems, creates insight. That's why solutions often appear in the shower or right after waking up. Rest is not laziness. Rest is mental recovery. Without recovery, productivity drops, creativity disappears, thinking slows down. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do is pause. Now ask yourself honestly, how many of these habits exist in your life? The truth is, smart people aren't born different. They build different daily behaviors. From this moment forward, every time you pick up your phone, avoid a challenge, or stop yourself from thinking deeply, remember, you are training your brain, either toward clarity or toward confusion. Your future doesn't change because of one big decision. It changes through small choices repeated daily. If this video made you think differently, leave a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more ideas that help you grow. I'll see you in the next video.